Hey guys, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite affordable makeup. I've already prepped my skin off cam, so the next thing that I'll be doing is I'll be moisturizing my lips using Caroline's lip balm. I like to massage it on my lips while applying it, like really press the balm in. I like to be generous with my lip balm because my lips are very chappy and dry. So after I moisturize my lips, I go ahead and apply my foundation and concealer. And for today, I'll be using from Fashion 21 their concealer foundation sticks. I love these foundation sticks because they are super affordable and the quality on the skin looks really good. So I always get the shade Almond because it usually matches my skin, and focus on the areas that have blemishes. I used to apply heavy concealer on my forehead, but then I realized that it looks more cakey throughout the day and I don't have any prominent blemishes on my forehead, so I don't really feel the need to apply foundation on it and apply concealer. So I'm just gonna leave it be, and then I'm gonna be blending it out. And then after that, I go ahead with the darker shade from the same line. This is in the shade Warm Tea, and I contour my face. If you don't know how to contour your face yet, the easiest way to do it is do the fishy fade. And then see the line over here, you want to trace that and you want to bring up the contour. And then bring the contour up to your face and up to your hairline. That way, you're gonna make your face look tighter and it's gonna lift your face even more. You don't want to bring your contour down because your face is gonna look droopy and sad and old and saggy, so you don't want that. I really appreciate it when people comment that I look like Booyancé because she's like my queen, she's the love of my life, and I really do aspire to be her. Everything about her is just so beautiful and so respectful. Not a day passes that I don't play Beyonce. I don't care if I've heard her songs 1,000 times, I'm gonna listen to it. So I love her. Then I'll be setting my face using Cathy Doll's Oil Control Film Pack. Next, after that, I'll be framing my face with my eyebrows, and the product that I'll be using is from Bilena. This is in the shade Latte. Don't apply too much pressure when you're applying your eyebrows, especially on the brow head, because it's gonna look boxy and you don't want boxy brows. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be contouring using Bilena Advance's Blush Duo palette. This is in the shade Golden Goddess. So again, same principle. You just want to always bring up your contour. By the way, if you have any video requests, tutorial or a one brand makeup tutorial, then you can always comment it down below. And when I'm wearing clothes like this, I like to contour my collarbones as well because I want to show them off. I want to show the world what my mama gave me. So and then I'm going to be using the blush from the same palette, and I want to use this blush because it has little shimmer specks in it, and when you apply it on your cheeks are going to look glowing because of the little shimmer specks. Next is I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow palette. I haven't tried this actually. And then I'll be using this color. Then I'm just going to lightly go through my eyes. I like this eyeshadow because not only is it affordable, but they're all warm toned. And it's balanced because they have the mattes and then they have the shimmer. So you can use it for office, you can use it for school, even when you're going out. And you just want to smoke that out just so you can balance the color on top. And then since I'm going for that glowy look, I'm going to be adding this shimmer. I'm going to be adding that shimmer. Taking my brush and apply the same shade on my tear duct. And also on the brow bone, you want to highlight that. Then I'm going to be applying eyeliner using Fashion 21's Dipliner in the shade brown. The first time that I tried this, I'm not feeling it. So I'm going to be switching up my eyeliner. That was actually the first time I used this eyeliner and I don't like it. It's so sticky on the eyes and it's like making my eyes shut and I hate that feeling. It's so annoying. Yeah, this is definitely a pass. This eyeliner that I used from Fashion 21 is super sticky. See, it won't let go of my curler even. It's so scary. See, look at my lashes. Look at the curler. I can't let go. Damn it. It's because of that eyeliner. I'm definitely staying away from it. And I'm telling you guys, stay away from it also. It's so bad. Like, it's so bad. So I'm going to be applying my lashes and I'm going to be doing it off screen because it is a task and I can't apply here right now on screen. By the way, this is from Landmark. This is only for 259 pesos and you're getting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of lashes. Yeah, so, and it's really, really beautiful. So, see you later. So the lashes are popped on. They really, really look beautiful. They definitely lifted my eyes. So next is I'm going to be contouring my nose because I forgot. Then I'm going to be using my current favorite lippies. They are from Bilena Advanced. This is their lip define line and I'm going to be using the shades Raw Burgundy and Exposed Nude. So if you want the whole review and shebang on these lippies, the link will be here. And then I like to apply the lighter shade on the center. And then I'm going to be applying Caroline's lip gloss. See that? Yes, mamacita. Looking saucy. Yes. Whenever I wear tops like this, I like to apply coconut oil. And then I like to apply this one to get that glowing body. So do is get that coconut oil. Drench your body in it. See? Look at my body. It looks matte right now, but when you apply it, yes. And not only does it look really, really... Wait, I think I overdid it. So just spread it around if you think like you overdid it. And then sometimes I like to apply the NYX Away We Go to the high points. Then spread it around. And there you have it for this tutorial. I hope you like this look, and if you do, then please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video. And if you have any more comments or suggestions, then comment them down below. Again, just remember, no hate, just love.